Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime. Today we're going to be cooking up an eye of round roast, and I'm going to show you how you can cook it perfectly every single time. Stay tuned. Okay friends, welcome back. Today we're going to go ahead and cook up this eye of round roast, but first we need to let this sit at room temperature for at least 1 hour on the counter. Alrighty, and then for the seasonings, I have onion powder, garlic salt, I have Longhorn steak seasoning, grill seasoning, and black pepper. You can pretty much season it with whatever you like. This is what my family likes, so that's what we're going to go ahead and put on it. Alrighty, and while the oven is preheating, we're going to go ahead and get the eye of round in the pan and get it ready for the seasoning. Alright guys, so we went ahead and put our seasoning on here. We're just going to rub it in really good, make sure it's nice and packed on there so that it gets into the meat. We have our Longhorn grilled seasoning on here. We have the garlic salt, onion powder, and black pepper. Once this is ready to go in the oven, we're just waiting for it to get to the 500 degrees, and then we'll pop it in the oven, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so what I did was I placed the meat in the pan fat side up, so this way the juices will run down the meat. So we'll go ahead and put this in the oven, and it's right now set at 500 degrees, which is perfect. So what we're going to do is place this in the oven, and we're going to immediately put the temperature down to 450. Once it's at 450, we're going to put the timer on. It's 2 to 3 minutes per pound. So we have a little over a 2-pound roast. So we're going to do it for a little over 4 minutes. So I'll do it for like 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Alrighty, so we just put the roast in the oven, and I turned the temperature down to 450 and set my timer for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Alrighty, so our timer went off, so we're going to go ahead and shut the oven off. We're not going to open up the door to the oven for 2 hours. We're going to let this roast cook in the heat for 2 hours. Alright everyone, and this is the finished roast. It sat in the oven for 2.5 hours, and now it's ready to be sliced and plated up. We're going to put some beef gravy on it with some mashed potatoes, and we'll be right back. Alright everyone, and here is the finished product. Our eye of round is cooked perfectly. It's the easiest meal you'll ever make, and you'll do it perfectly every time. You know, if you wanted it a little bit more well done, you just add a little bit more time to it. So we like ours rare to medium rare, so that's why ours is looking so good. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and until next time, stay blessed.